Hello Dartmouth High School. DHNN is back for the 2022-23 school year. I'm your host Holly Raposo and I have all the latest news here at DHS. On today's show, we have a brand new principal who's not new to Dartmouth, and we have an exclusive interview with Mr. Shea. We also take you to all the recent events, Back to School Bash, Open House, and more. Football had a big win over Old Rochester. We were there. Announcements, weather, and much more. DHNN starts right now.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Let's start off with all of the latest announcements.
Homework Hangout takes place after school on Tuesdays and Thursdays in C18 with Miss True. AP exam registrations and payment timeline. November 7, 2022, deposit of $40 per exam and $10 for free and reduced lunch is due. February 17th, 2023, balance due. Regular exam is $97 and research and seminar exams are $145. Free and reduced lunch pays $20. DHS Debate Club meets Wednesdays during PACE in Mr. John Caron's room C26.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Can I please have a coffee?
One coffee, coming right up. Here's your coffee. Enjoy.
This coffee was amazing, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
You want restaurant quality coffee? Then sign up for our cafe delivery service every Tuesday.
Check weekly for the Google form in your email to sign up.
Shea on top of the ball for the now Indians. Another penalty on.
Hi, my name is Mr. Shea. I'm principal of Dartmouth High School. My prior history at Dartmouth High School was prior to this year I was an assistant principal. Prior to that I was a student through Dartmouth Public Schools, not at this building, but I was at the middle school now. I graduated from the class of 2001 there. So I grew up in Dartmouth schools. I was fortunate enough to go through the entire school district from start to finish, and I'm a proud graduate. Oh, the student interaction, 1000%. I love seeing the students, I love seeing student learning, I love seeing the students in the hallways. I love being able to support clubs, activities, sports, drama, band, across the board, DECA. We have so many offerings for our students, and I just love that offering at our school, and hopefully making lasting memories for our student body over the course of their life. I did play sports in high school. I played football for 4 years, and I did track as well. The friendships and the relationships I built between students, between peers and staff as well as a student, I was really lucky that I have a really good group of friends and a solid foundation. I also think that Dartmouth High School opened the door for me to be able to go to a great college and get work my way back into this position, and that all started with the foundation that Dartmouth had. So that's kind of my positive moments and memories. I grew up in Dartmouth, right around the corner from Staying, actually. So in the neighborhood behind Staying, I grew up in that. That was my entire childhood, and actually still my parents live right around the corner from here now. So yeah, I grew up in Dartmouth. I was always a Dartmouth student. Yeah, a lot of people have impacted my role, but most significantly my father. My father was a principal for 23 years at New Bedford Voc, and then he was a superintendent. He actually was a year superintendent at Dartmouth Public Schools. He's the person that I call on the way home. He's the person that I kind of look for advice in how we take the next steps. I will say in this role, there was a lot of family conversations too between my wife and my son, and we took this as a serious moment as a family as well. I don't think it's necessarily changes, but I think it's continuing the path of including the student life aspect of Dartmouth High School. I think we have a really strong curriculum foundation at Dartmouth High School. I think we're really working on the student life aspect of it too. We want the school to be a place where everyone walks in the door and wants to be here. We want the place to be offering for all students. So whether it's if you would like to start a club or an activity, if you want to be involved in anything after school, we want the student life to change. We want to be more offering for our students and make sure that this is a place where when students leave here, they talk fondly of their time at Dartmouth High School, and that starts a lot with the student life. We're not necessarily worried about the education side of it because we have strong teachers, and we're going to continue that, and a strong foundation of growth of our students, and we're really working on like the engage in learning, but really we want to like boost up the student life. Well, I want to thank you guys. I really think that your class and your program offers a lot to our community, especially just the communication sides and keeping everyone informed, and then the real life expectations. So I greatly appreciate everything you guys do in the class and what's offered for our students.
Things are starting to cool down from the summer. Here's our weekly weather forecast.
My name is Ryan Aruda, and welcome back to the DHNN weather. Monday, we have partly cloudy with a high of 58, low of 46. Tuesday, partly cloudy once again, high of 61, low of 50 degrees. Wednesday, once again, 61 for the high, 50 degrees for the low, partly cloudy once again. As we make our way later on through the week, Thursday, high of 65, low of 47. Friday, you guessed it once again, partly cloudy with a high of 64 and a low of 46. Saturday, finally, we'll be seeing some of that breakthrough with some sun, a high of 63 and a low of 48. And Sunday, we have some clouds, not much, with a high of 64 and a low of 47. Back to you.
Open house was a huge success. On Tuesday, September 22nd, our camera crew was there to cover the event.
Make sure you guys get my good side, okay?
I'm feeling a little hungry. Good thing it's time for the lunch show.
Monday, chicken and waffles, warm syrup, crispy baked fries. Tuesday, barbecue pulled pork sandwich, pretzel roll, baby carrots. Wednesday, at a early release day, hot and cold, grab and go items available. Thursday, General Tso chicken, fried rice, and broccoli. Friday, at a World Smile Day, steak and cheese sub, onion rings, and potato smiles.
The Back to School Bash was held on September 15th, and the people that went said they had a blast. The football team beat Old Rochester on Friday, September 23rd in a nail-biter right to the end. Here's the highlights.
Justin will kick it away. It's 3 guys back deep for the Indians.
Within the ends, and a great way to finish it. Watch the way Louis Freitas has a second effort here. He gets by that first would-be tackler and then just goes right down the sideline as he makes it into the end by Old Rochester in that staying game, and it couldn't come at a better time for Dartmouth. The ball coming loose. Correa very smartly.
Run ball, hangs up in the wind, but it's caught. As Morris, here comes the rush.
And how about a focus?
Good, he's on his way. And that was Dylan Gomes back there defending Rozier. And he's in.
Open in the end zone, and the quarterback, Noah Summers.
Fakes it left. No, brush it off, throws it. White, it's intercepted! Graham White!
That's all for this week on DHNN. Coming up next week, we'll take a ride on the bus to a marine science field trip with Miss Franco and Mr. Tweedy. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and all the latest news and updates. See you next time, DHS.